friends, this video is a brief summary on history of Indian independence. Long back in 1600s, the British East India Company came to India as traders. At that time, India was ruled by the Mughals. British were allowed trading rights in India by the Indian Emperor Jahangir. They came to India to trade in silk, cotton, indigo, tea, opium, spices, etc. They landed in the Indian subcontinent on August 24, 1608 at the port of Surat. That time the Mughals were too powerful for the British, but later Mughal Empire started disintegrating and the British began to conquer small parts of India. The East India Company ruled India for around 100 years till 1757. In 1757, this was replaced by direct British rule when the East India Company won the Battle of Plassey. They then began expanding rapidly throughout India till 1857. Finally, in 1857, Indians were fed up of the British rule and united to fight against them. This led to the first war of independence called Sepoy Mutiny, which began in Meerut. This struggle for freedom extended for years. Few leaders of 1857 revolt were Mangal Pandey, Lakshmi Bai, Tatya Tope, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Nana Sahib. Then in 1900s, Indian freedom movement took a new turn under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. Many freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Azad, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Chandrasekhar Azad fought against the British for our independence. Champaran Satyagraha was the first Satyagraha movement led by Gandhiji in India in 1917. Three other major movements for the Indian independence were Non-Cooperation Movement, Civil Disobedience Movement, and Quit India Movement. So the Indian independence movement was a series of historic events that started in 1857 until 15th August 1947 when India got its independence from the British Raj. So Independence Day reminds us of all the sacrifices that were made by our freedom fighters in order to set India free from British rule. It also marks the anniversary of the partition of the subcontinent into two countries, India and Pakistan, which occurred at midnight on August 14, 1947. On 15th August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian national flag above the Lahori Gate of the Red Fort in Delhi. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.